And then now for the extra large memory cushion. We saw that in many reviews they said the extra large memory cushions are a must. So these were extra purchases, and this is what it looks like. It's got a mesh on one side. This is plastic, I believe. And then the inside it looks like this with some holes. I don't know if you can see them. They have 30% increase in diameter, 2 times deeper, and has 55% larger volume space. So you can definitely see the one on the left is original, the one on the right is the extra large. Depth-wise, I'm sure you can see the difference. Not sure if I would go as far as to say it's 2 times deeper, but that's what they claim. But it's got a definitely larger diameter. So you can actually maybe kind of see the difference through the mesh. So I'm going to show you how to remove the ear cup from the headphone. So what we want to do is try to pull out that plastic part that latches onto these corners, these sides. Do you see them? But put your hand so that it goes, like your fingernails go under here, but you know, be careful not to break the mesh. You can see that it's coming out. There we go. So I'm going to show you how to insert the new extra large cup into the earphone. So again, what we're trying to do is get this plastic under these. Just align your headphone. So seam pointing down. So I want to put that on the side with the input. So I'm aligning it like this, and then you just push it in, and then you will hear clicking noise. And what you want to do is, with a finger inside the cup and also outside, pushing it in so that you hear that clicking noise. Go around the entire cup. Make sure all the plastic parts are under. So you just want to like make sure if you pull the cup, see the plastic under the metal pegs. Make sure all sides are in. And I think it is. So that is how you replace the ear cup. I'm going to check the other side as well. Yep, seems to be securely in its place. So this is the This is the V-Moda Crossfade M100 earphones with the extra large ear cups.